can add music to your site using audio blocks or embed blocks. You can upload an MP3 or M4A file directly from your computer, or add a URL from a cloud storage platform. Use the embed block to add audio from third-party services like Spotify or Stitcher. Copy code from the service, then add it to your embed block. A SoundCloud block embeds an audio track hosted on SoundCloud. You can customize the block's display by using SoundCloud's embedded settings. A video block is a great way to share a music video or music uploaded as a video file. You can add videos hosted on YouTube or Vimeo. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.